If you're new to the ketogenic diet, you may or may not know that traditional breads are off the menu. But there are options, and in this video, I'll show you a 90-second bread that is absolutely amazing. Now, let's get started by preparing our key ingredient, cottage cheese. And the method I'm about to show you will change those viral cottage cheese recipes forever. You'll need large curd cottage cheese for this recipe. Now, I normally do the whole carton, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to use a half a cup. First, place the cottage cheese into a strainer and rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove the whey. Next, we're going to drain out the remaining moisture, and I've found that using coffee filters works the best. Add the rinsed cottage cheese to your filter. Just make sure to double them. As you can see here, using only one filter can cause it to tear or split under pressure. Now, I'll go ahead and add an extra coffee filter. Now, when squeezing out the excess liquid, do not push everything to one end. Instead, use both hands to apply even pressure, gently squeezing it until most of the moisture is removed. Then return it to its original carton. For shaping the bread, a 4-inch round silicone dish from Amazon will work. But if you live near a Micheal's, these square silicone molds are perfect. Now let's make the batter. Start with 1 tablespoon of butter in a microwavable safe dish. Heat it until it softens. Next, crack 1 egg and whisk it together with the butter. Don't worry if it doesn't blend well. The next ingredient will help bring them all together. Add 1/4 cup almond flour and mix them until the batter is smooth and well combined. Then fold 2 heaping tablespoons of your prepared cottage cheese and stir it until your cottage cheese is equally distributed throughout the mixture. Now evenly divide the batter onto both sides of the greased silicone mold. Try to get the portions as equal as possible for even cooking. When spreading the batter, start from the center and gently work out towards the corner. This will avoid getting that thin, paper-like edge you get when making these type recipes. Now this next step is very important when using the microwave. You want to microwave the batter for 3 minutes at power level 5. This method lessens the chances of you getting large air bubbles in your bread. Once that cycle is done, flip the bread and return it to the microwave for an additional 30 seconds on full power. And if it's not dry enough, simply return it for another 30-second cycle. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.